Become a millionaire today on a low salary. In a world where the narrative of inherited money frequently takes precedence, it is of the utmost importance to dispel the misconception that the only people who can eventually become millionaires are those who are born into privilege. Many people have the misconception that the majority of billionaires are self-made, first-generation affluent folks. However, this is not the case. This shift in the narrative demonstrates that everyone, regardless of their history or income level, is capable of paving their way to financial prosperity. It opens the door to a world of possibilities. The following narrative will focus on three major levers: time, investment quantity, and investment returns. It will also cover the tactics and mentality modifications that are necessary to become a billionaire, even in a modest wage. Welcome to Money Ocean, your ultimate destination for all things finance, wealth building, and success stories. Dive deep into the world of money management, investment strategies, and the inspiring journeys of self-made millionaires. Today's episode is a special one, as we explore the path to becoming a millionaire even on a low salary. Join us as we uncover the secrets, strategies, and mindset shifts necessary to achieve financial abundance regardless of your income level. Let's first discuss why time's your most powerful friend. On the path to becoming a billionaire, time is the most valuable thing that one may possess. The force of compounding allows assets to expand at an exponential rate over time, transforming modest inputs into enormous riches. Individuals are able to take advantage of the full potential of compound interest if they begin their investment journey early and remain committed to investing for the long term. This chapter goes into the significance of beginning investment routines at an early age, demonstrating the substantial influence that even a few additional years of investment may have on the trajectory of one's financial situation. In order to realize the full potential of time, it is essential to adopt investment strategies that are characterized by patience and consistency. Now let's discuss the investment amount, the path to wealth through gradual growth. The concept of investing a large portion of one's salary may appear intimidating. Nonetheless, gradual increase in the amount of money contributed to investment might result in the building of a significant amount of wealth. If an individual commits to consistent contributions and gradually increases the percentage of their income invested, they can consistently increase their wealth over time. This chapter aims to explore various practical strategies for augmenting investment amounts. These tactics include automating donations, living below one's means, and tapping into extra income streams. Facilitating the development of financial discipline and providing individuals with the ability to take charge of their own financial futures can be accomplished by implementing a step-by-step strategy for raising investment contributions. Now we'll tackle about the returns on investments, navigating the landscape. Although the returns on investments do play a part in the growth of wealth, it is not totally within the discretion of an individual to determine those returns. This chapter places an emphasis on the significance of having reasonable expectations regarding returns, as well as the adverse effect that high fees have on the growth of investments. By prioritizing low-cost, diversified investment vehicles and avoiding expensive management fees, individuals can maximize their profits and save unnecessary expenses. Gaining an understanding on the subtleties of investment returns and fee structures gives investors the ability to make decisions based on accurate information and optimize their investment portfolios for growth over the long run. You might be wondering how to overcome your psychological obstacles. Let's talk about it at this moment. In order to become a millionaire, You need to have more than just a good understanding of finances. You also need to change your thinking and the way you behave when it comes to money. This chapter examines the psychological obstacles that frequently stand in the way of the growth of wealth. These obstacles encompass limiting beliefs, the fear of failure, and societal conditioning. Individuals are able to overcome challenges and remain connected with their financial goals if they address these barriers and have a good mindset around money. Cultivating resilience in the face of adversity and reframing negative thought patterns empowers individuals to pursue their financial goals with self-assurance and drive. Now, let's talk about this important part of this video: embracing the journey. To achieve the status of millionaire, it is not enough to just reach a certain monetary threshold. Rather, it is to lead a life that is abundant and satisfying. Whether it be through personal relationships, experiences, or acts of kindness, this chapter draws attention to the significance of discovering meaning and satisfaction in one's life that extends beyond the realm of financial achievement. Individuals have the ability to construct a full life that goes beyond the simple amassing of wealth if they are willing to embrace the journey and celebrate all of the milestones along the way. The cultivation of thankfulness and the prioritization of holistic well-being both contribute to the development of a sense of fulfillment and contentment, which enriches the road toward financial prosperity and subsequent goals. It is not an unreachable dream to become a billionaire on a low wage. Rather, it is a practical possibility for those who are prepared to commit to their financial goals and prioritize the creation of wealth over the long term. Individuals have the ability to pave their way to financial prosperity and create a life that is purposeful and fulfilling by utilizing the power of time, gradual growth, and wise investing choices. This story can serve a reminder to those individuals that reaching financial success is possible, regardless of where they begin. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the money ocean. We hope today's episode has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps towards your financial goals. Remember, wealth building is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to the shores of financial freedom. Be sure to subscribe to Money Ocean for more expert insights, success stories, and investment strategies to help you navigate the ever-changing tides of the financial world. Until next time, may your investments be fruitful and your dreams set sail on the waves of prosperity.